viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig unit from Alipearl hair. They was nice enough to send me over this blonde wig unit. So let's go ahead and get into the specs first. This is a 24-inch P18 613 blonde highlighted wig unit. It is in the straight texture. It's also a 13x4 lace frontal wig unit and also 180% density. So I do want to let you guys know that I was not recording when I installed this wig unit, so I had to take it off and install it again, so I'm so sorry for that. But you guys know how I install my wig units. It's no different than any other wig. I did go ahead and put my foundation up under this lace, and that's pretty much it. So I do want to talk to you guys about the color as well. This wig unit is more of like a blonde to me, and then it does have the ash blonde highlights throughout the wig, so the wig will appear a little bit more ashy. Now they did take the ash color onto like the roots, you guys, so as I'm like shifting my head, pay attention to how, you know, some sections does have like that shadow effect to it, and then again they did use the ash blonde. So when it comes to plucking, I didn't really pluck this wig unit or the hairline a lot. I know for a fact that I did do the sideburns because I like those to be a little bit more thin. And then with this style today, I really just wanted like this like sweep over type of look. Like I didn't really want to do like a parting. I haven't really been into parts as of lately, you guys, just to completely honest with you. So yeah, also when it comes to tinting the lace, I usually tint it with hair dye, but I honestly, like 100%, just being completely honest, I did not have time to do that with this wig unit, so I just used my foundation. And also what I did with the trick was put my hairspray, my Got To Be blasting spray, up under it after I have put the foundation up under it to basically seal it so it does not move and bleed onto my hair when I do my baby hairs. And that was actually a really good trick, you guys. You also can apply your wig unit before you put your foundation on, but foundation did not bleed onto my lace at all, so I'm happy with that. Just a little quick little tip for you all, and if it does get on it, you can just use like alcohol to get it off easily. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say. Let me know what you guys think about the color.
told